Assalamualaikum viewers, this is HAIDER Khatri and you are watching HAIDER Khatri Vlog. Today's my video topic is VFS appointment. Especially this video is for Canada biometric appointment, but the same process you can follow for other appointments also. As you know that VFS is the mostly embassies is hiring VFS for biometric, for document submission and for passport submission. So process will be the same, only criteria will be changed. So I will take you to the screen, then I will show you that how you can do the appointment. Let's go to the screen. So guys, you have to come to the Google and type VFS appointment for Canada from Dubai. Right now I am in Dubai, so I am selecting Dubai. Whatever country, whatever city you are, you have to type accordingly. You have to note one thing, VFS have so many websites, so each website, different website, different embassies have different websites, so you must have to check that things. You have to type on the Google, so exactly website you will get it. So right now I type here and let's see book an appointment. Once I will click this VFS website, so here you can see on the top you can see this is vfsglobal.com this book an appointment. This is CAN means Canada. So this is the main website from where we can book an appointment for Canada biometric. So here you will come down, there is 4 options. Either you can go online appointment, if you want to go by telephone also you can do appointment, by email also you can do appointment, and web chat also you can book an appointment. So right now I will select this online appointment. So this is all the process is here. So here we will have to click here, so it will divert to directly this vfsglobal.ca. as I told you, they have different website. If you will make your user ID password in some other website, it will not work here. So here we will have to verify that we are human. So now first, if you are first time using this, so you will have to create as a new user. So here you will have to create new user. So you have to feed this your first name, your last name, your email ID, your mobile number, then you have to select your password, then you have to acknowledge and then submit. Once you will submit, then it will verify your email ID. So here I already done this one, so that's why I am not doing again. So here you will get this kind of email ID, then you will have to activate your account. Once you will click activate, so the your user ID, password and email ID will be activated. So I already done all these things. So once you will done it, then you will have to make the registration. Then it will show you that you will get one OTP to add any members. Then after that, so I already have, see, I will go online, then I will, so see right now I am login on the VFS Global portal. So from here what you have to do, if you want to do a schedule appointment, you will have to click here. So now here you will have to select, you have exceeded the maximum of number of the allowed appointment. So here you will have to select center where you want to do it. So actually I cannot do, I already done so many times. So from this side you can do, you have to select the center where you want to go for appointment, the number of the applicant, how many applicant you are, then select the appointment category, which category you are appointing. Then you will have, once you will so actually I already done many appointments, that's why it's not showing here. So this is the total process which I already described you. Hope if you reach till that location, hope you can easily do it. So hope guys you like my video. Please do subscribe my channel if you like it, and if you have any question, please write down in comments box. Take care, bye bye.